So today we are going to make this very beautiful stationery box, or you can use it as a multi-purpose box using cardboard. So here we have covered the inside part of it with thick white sheets, and also we are going to cover the outside part with thick sheets only. After this, here we have taken a cardboard piece 11 to 19 centimeter, cover it whole with white sheet only, and after this, here we have taken cardboard sheet height of the shoe box, same as the height of the shoe box, and we are going to attach these small pieces into it. 3 small pieces we are going to attach it together like this, and again we are going to put that part which we have covered now like this. So we have made total 5 compartments. Then here we have taken a thick sheet. Take a shape of this to make its handle. Trace it like this and cover it. On both the sides we are going to cover it, and then on the sides we are going to paste a strip. So like this we are going to cover. On one we are going to paste colored sheet, and on the side a little bit strip like this. Cover it whole. Cover the sides also. Now join it like this. Then we have taken these hearts of different sizes on a thin cardboard, cover it with different color sheets, and also make the windows of it. Like this, cover it. Make the windows with white sheet only, A4 white sheet. Attach the windows and attach it on the front of it. So like this we are going to attach all of the huts, and this is also ready. So you can use it as a stationery holder. So now we are going to make the next one. For this, here we have taken old soap boxes, and we are going to cut this side, both the covers of it, and we are going to paste the 3 boxes on a cardboard piece, and we have made this by joining it together. At the back, to give more support, we have joined a cardboard, and here we have taken denim cloth. Applying glue on it, we are going to cover all the parts of it by this. And we have joined half of the boxes in the front to make it a little bit downer. So this is also ready. So now to make the next one, here we have taken 3 cardboard pieces and we have attached these together, and we are going to cover it on a pink chart paper. So inside part also we have covered it with pink chart paper only, and now we are going to make some black dots so it looks something beautiful like this, and you can keep anything into it. Now this is ready. Let's move ahead on our last organizer. For this, here we have taken this old surf container, and we are going to cut the upper part of it, this lid part, and then we have marked 2 triangles on the top of it. Cut it like this from 2 sides. So cover it with any chart paper or printed paper you have, and now you can use it as a dustbin, for paper dustbin. Insert a stick into it and make its handles. So like this we can keep it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.